Okay, for the if, we will go over real quick. So if we have a variable equals 150, and if variable, we will print that we could do is one true expression value, and this mark with our print variable, and if variable equals 150, we will print 2, that is true expression value, and then we will have print variable, and then if variable equals 200. Oopsies. If variable, I should variable equals to 200 in variable, and I do need a column here. I forgot to fix it. And okay, we have a 3. Okay, perfect. And don't forget the column. Okay, and I have 200. First is I have 200, and print this variable, and now I have 200 again. That doesn't make sense. It should be 300. So 300. I'm going to later. I will update it. All right. So now we will print, and this one is 300. 3, and I need a semicolon here. And then this will be number 3. True expression value, and then I will print variable, and else semicolon print number 4. So this one it looks weird. All right. Okay, then I have false expression value. So, and then print variable, and then print and off script. And I still need parentheses. Okay, now I'm going to save it, and then let's run it. Okay, so it's true, okay, because it's equals to 200. So number 2, it's right here, 150. So it's right here. So if I do 200, and then it will be 1, 200, file, save, and then let's run it. There. So because 200 is right here, so it will print out this, and then I'm going to change it into 300. Then it will print out this one. Okay. File, save, and run it. Okay. 300. And variable equals to 500. Control S and F5. There. So it will be false, and it will tell me that print the variable. It's 500. So it's false, else, because it's if it doesn't go in here, it's else, it's equal none of these, and then end of script. All right. So now I'm going to change it back 150, and then this one I do need. This shouldn't be, because if I have 2 variable for 200, might not work. Let's see. File, save, and then run. Okay. It worked because it's not that. Let's see if we change it into 200 and Control S and run. Okay, so now false value. Oh, 250. Let's do 200. Control S. Oh, not F4, F5. Okay, so it returns the first one instead of the second one. All right, let's run it again. F5, F5. Okay, Control S. Oopsies. File, save, and run it again. Still give us 200. Okay. All right. Anyway, so there. That's this. Okay, and if we look at this example from our book, that the code will be you define this original there, you put all the code here, and you just return, and else you return this. So, and then we'll go to nested if statement. So the structure for this one is provides the ability to use an if or else statement inside another if or else statement, checking for another condition after an initial condition resolves to true. So if expression 1, we will have a 1 statement, and if an expression 2, then we have another, an else if, and then else, you run this, an else if, and then else. So I know it's a little complicated. Let's run it using some example. So this one, if, and then else if, and then else inside of it. And then, so you could just end it here, instead of you have another one. So I don't have another, else if or else. So let's look at this example. I know the code, but we will have to try and see what it returns. Okay. All right. So let's see. Oopsies, not this one. Okay. Alright, so let's just, not this one. I think it's in my tutorial one. Okay, so if we have a variable 1, and then if variable is less than this, and let's see which loop it will go into. Let me move around. So this is tutorial 1. Okay. Alright, so now variable 1, and we have less than 200, print this. And if variable is, so right now we have it's 100, so and we will print this, right? Because it is 100. And let's save and let's run it. So now expression value is less than 200. Okay, which is because if it goes into if, and then we print this. But if it is 100, it goes in here. And then let's see if we say it's 1,000, okay, it's 1,000, then it will not be less than 200, and it's not less than 50, and it could not find true expression. So if, and then it should it doesn't print, we will have to see, we will go to save and then run. Okay, so expression, it restart because it didn't have anything. Save again, let's run it again. There, it doesn't run because it doesn't go into our loop. It doesn't require for this, And if we put the print at end of the script, and let's see, file, save, and then run, end of script, because it didn't go into any loop, and then it just print this, end of script. And let's see if we put parentheses. Okay, file, save, it should be the same. Okay, end of script. Okay, And now, but if we do three, no, it will be 100, and then it go this, and if we go 10, so it will go to this out if, all right? And then if we, let's see, okay, we'll go 10, file, we will save, and then we will run. So now expression value, so we go into here because it's less than 50. And it also meets this condition, and it go in here as well. So it's less than this, of course, and then it tells us, and it doesn't meet any of these, and then it's less than 50, and then it tells us this, and we will do less than 50, we will do 80 then, and we will see what's going on. Okay, file, save, and then run. So now could not find the expression. So we have 80, and it didn't go in here, and so that's why we cannot find the true expression. So and then we could say print. Let's see, can we print this variable? And we will go file, save, and then run module, and it will tell us it's 80. Okay, could not find this expression because it's 80. It's 80. All right, and then let's do -10. -10. File, save, and we will do run and run. So, and of course, it's less than 50, and it will print this. Okay, and then if we add print variable, and then it will tell us it's -10. File, save, and then run, and then it will tell us it's -10. All right, so now this is the example here. So it has two loops that we go in here, and if it's not, and then we want another condition, and it will print if it meets. If it doesn't, it's 80, and then it will go in here. It says not find the true expression. So, wow. Let's do one example. How would you find use the if statement that will decide if a year is a leap year? So we will have to think, how would you decide if a year is a leap year? All right, so now thank you so much. We will show the result next video.